Hi my dear students, previous class we solved exercise 1.2 in that first main, second main and third main. Let us start fourth main here. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 up to so on is 78. So here what is asked? Which term? Which term means n is equal to question mark. So I will write given things first. Here a is equal to, that is first term is 3. Then common difference d is equal to second term minus first term. That is second term is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Here the d value is 5. So and also nth term is given. That is an is equal to 78. Then which term is n is equal to question mark. By using the formula nth term of an AP, therefore nth term of an AP is a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a value is 78. Substitute a as 78, which is equal to a is value 3 plus n value we don't know. N minus 1, d value is 5. So 78 as it is. Here plus 3 is there. Plus 3 comes to RHS side, LHS side it becomes minus. 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5 here. 78 minus 3 is 75 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. So 75 here in RHS side n minus 1 into 5 is into. When it comes to LHS side it becomes division. 75 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. Here 5 ones are 2 remains. 2 and 5 is 25. 5 5s are 25. So 15 is equal to n minus 1. We want only n value. Then here minus 1 comes to this LHS side, it becomes plus 1. 15 plus 1 is equal to n. 16 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 60. This is the value of n. So here, which term is asked? Therefore, you have to write the therefore statement. Therefore, 16th term of the AP is 78. Now, problem number 5. Find the number of terms in the following APs. The question is 7, 13, 19 up to 205. So here number of terms is asked. Number of terms means n is equal to question mark. So I will write given things. First term, that is a is equal to 7. Then common difference b is equal to second term minus first term, that is 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. And also nth term is given, last term an is equal to 205. So what is asked? N is equal to question mark. N value is asked. Therefore we know that formula nth term of an AP, a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term means 205, 205 right here, 205, which is equal to a value 7 plus n value. We have to find the n value. So write n as it is, n minus 1 into d value 6. Here 205 plus 7 is there here. It becomes minus 7 when it comes to LHS side. Minus 7, which is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7 is 198, which is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So now it is into, it becomes division. 198 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. So 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. 1 remains. 198, 18. Again 6 threes are 18. So you will get 33 is equal to n minus 1. So again we want only n value. 33 plus 1 is equal to n. So 33 plus 1 is 34 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 34. This is the value of n. So here number of terms is asked. So you have to write the therefore statement. 34 number of terms are there in this AP. In this question, find the number of terms is asked. It is second sub question. Find the number of terms. N is question mark here. What are given things here? First term, that is a is equal to 18. Then common difference d is equal to second term minus first term. Which is second term here? 15 integer 1 by 2 minus first term is 18. Which is equal to 15 integer 1 by 2 can be written as 15 to the 30. 30 plus 1 31. 31 divided by 2 minus 18. Its simplest form is 31 to 18 is 36 divided by 2. 31 minus 36 is which is equal to minus 5 by 2 because 36 minus 30 is 5 because it's a minus 5 by 2 is the value of d. So nth term is given here. An is equal to minus 47. Then what is asked? N is equal to question mark. Number of terms is asked. So we know the formula. Therefore, nth term of an AP is equal to A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So an value is minus 47. An value is given minus 47. Right? Minus 47 here, which is equal to A value 18 plus n value we don't know n minus 1, d value minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 here. Minus 47 as it is. Here no sign means plus. 18 comes to LHS side, it becomes minus. Minus 18 which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. It is into. Into is nothing but bracket. Minus 47 minus 18 is minus 65 which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So we want only n value, that is it. So shift this minus 5 by 2 in this side. Minus 65 into minus 5 by 2 becomes its reciprocal is minus 2 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. So here you get cancels. 5 answer 5 13 is 65 minus minus plus 13 into 2 26. 26 is equal to n minus 1. So therefore 26 minus 1 comes to this side, it becomes plus 1 is equal to n. So here 26 plus 1 is 27. Therefore n is equal to 27. It is n value. So here number of terms is asked. Therefore how many terms are there? 27 number of terms are there in this AP. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Here the question is check whether minus 150 is a term, whether it is a term or not. So here indirectly n is asked, number of terms is asked, n is question mark. So what are given here in the AP? 11, 8, 5 to up to how much? Minus 150. So here minus 150 is nth term of the AP. So I already given things. What are given here? A is equal to 11. Then common difference, that is d is equal to second term minus first term. So 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. It is minus 3 is value of d. And also nth term is given, that is nth term is equal to minus 150. So what is asked? N is question mark. N value is asked. By using the formula, therefore A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. A value is given minus 150 is equal to A value 11 plus n minus 1 as it is into d is minus 3. So minus 150 here plus 11 it becomes minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 10. So minus 150 minus 11 is minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So, minus 161 as it is. We want the value of n, right, as it is here. Then shift this one. Minus 161 divided by minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus get cancels. So, 161 divided by 3. Here minus 1 is there. So, shift this one. It becomes plus 1. Plus 1 is equal to n. So, simplify this. 161. 3 ones are 3. So, 161 plus 3 is 164 divided by 3 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 164 divided by 3. This is the value of n. So, whether n is an integer? No, it is not an integer. It is a fraction. I will write it. Therefore, n is not an integer. Hence, minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Hence, minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Now, seventh question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38. 11th term means A11 is 38 and the 16th term is 73. A16 is 73. So, I will write the given things first. 11th term, that is A11 is equal to 38. And what is given again? The 16th term, that is A16 is equal to 73. So, what is asked? Find the 31st term. So, A31 is equal to question mark. A31 is equal to question. See, I will take this one. A11 is equal to 38. So, A11 can be written as, so 11th term can be written as, 11th term can be written as A plus 10D is equal to 38. Call this as equation number 1. A plus 10D is nothing but 11th term, that is A11 is equal to A plus 10D, which is equal to 38. Call this as equation number 1. A16 can be written as A plus 15D is equal to 73. Call this as equation number 2. So, by solving 192, we will get the value of D. So, solve 192 here. From equation 192, right here as it is, A plus 10D is equal to 38. Then A plus 15D is equal to 73. From equation 192, we will get, now side change here. Plus it becomes minus, plus it becomes minus, plus it becomes minus. Now plus A minus A get cancels. So here plus 10 minus 15. Here bigger number is, this sign is minus. So you will get minus 5D, which is equal to minus 73 plus 38 means you will get 35. Minus 35 because here bigger sign is minus. So this minus get cancels. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. Therefore D is equal to 7. This is the value of D. So by substituting the value of D in equation 1 or equation number 2, you will get the value of A. So put D is equal to 7 in equation number 1. You will get, that is equation 1 is A plus 10D is equal to 38. So A plus 10, D value is 7 is equal to 38. So here A plus 10 sevens are 70. A plus 17 is equal to 38. Therefore A is equal to 38 as it is, plus 70 becomes minus 70. A is equal to 38 minus 70 is minus 32. It is the value of A. So here D value, here A value. So here, what is asked? 31st term is asked. Therefore, 31st term is A31 is equal to A31 can be written as A plus 30D. A plus 30D. Which is equal to A value is minus 32 plus 30 in the bracket. So D value is 7. You will get minus 32 plus 7 3 is 21. So it is 210. You will get 210 minus 32. You will get 178. Therefore, 31. A31 is 178. So here, therefore, 31st term of an AP is 178. Today we discussed these some problems. So remaining problems we will discuss in next class. Thank you, my dear students.